Okay, so this last Wednesday's Bitcoin sell-off resulted in $800 million in liquidations, and the market sentiment has turned extremely bearish, very suddenly as well. But even in such markets, there is an opportunity. Wait for it, because we're not talking about the very obvious buying opportunities in altcoins created by most of the high potential projects that are now available at a heavy discount. But in this video, we're going to be talking about your stablecoin positions and where you can park them in order to earn interest rates anywhere between 6 and 12%. Also, you can earn heavy, and I really mean very heavy returns on your stables in liquidity pools that could go up to a massive 434%. That's 5.52 million percent APR yield while you wait for the altcoin market to pump again. But how? Where and how much? Is it safe? That's also a question that you're likely asking yourself, and justifiably so. Let's explore stablecoins. Let's answer all these questions and more. I am Maddie, and this is Altcoin Buzz. We are a crypto investment research company. We've been in this space, in the crashes, in the pumps, really through all the highs and lows, making millionaires since all the way back in 2017. And that's not been an accident either. It's because we've been judicious, careful, confident investors in a lot of terrific projects that have borne out terrific profits over the years. And because we were early investors in the crypto space, we've developed a keen eye for 100x potential projects. But just so that we're clear, we are talking about our opinions on this channel, not financial or investment advice. Never. With that being said, if you like our opinions, then be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is Altcoin Buzz. Also, hit the bell to receive notifications, because that way you'll get personalized notifications by YouTube and alerts every time we publish time-sensitive content. With that being said, let's talk about stablecoins and precisely how you can optimize your yield gains by using the correct platforms. So for some context, there are over 50 stablecoins out there, and all have one goal in mind, i.e. price stability. But that doesn't mean you can't earn anything while you're holding onto them. In fact, during markets like this one that we're currently seeing, where you're unsure whether you should buy the dip or not, holding your money in stablecoins and earning yield on them is a very safe and very profitable strategy. Let's talk about wealth generation through yield. One of the most valuable use cases for stablecoins is for trading and investing. Why? Well, because stablecoins maintain their price, hence their name, and crypto-to-crypto trades are easy and fast, and every major coin and most minor coins have trading pairs with leading stablecoins. So it's common for many of us in crypto to keep some of our assets parked in stablecoins to wait for really the next opportunity to invest. Whether or not you want to buy the dip, that's up to you, but that is a common strategy. But that money isn't doing anything in the interim while you wait. And it's unfortunate, because you could be earning some pretty significant yield during that waiting period. And the great thing is almost every option we're going to show you today in this video means your money is available immediately when that investing opportunity strikes. So with that context in mind, we're now going to take a look at some of the best interest rates you can avail yourself of with stablecoins. So call this a coincidence, but it just so happens that some of the most favorable rates we found do indeed come from centralized platforms, CeFi. And you can be sure we're going to explain DeFi options in a later video, but for now, this has been the trend. And the first platform we're considering is Nexo, and they have some good safeguards in place. These guys are based in Europe, but Americans can use the platform. So some of these safeguards include military-grade security, regular audits from Armanino, custody by BitGo and Ledger, and $375 million in insurance on deposits. Other positives include exchange services, which means you can buy right from your Nexo wallet, 2% higher interest rate if you decide to take in their Nexo token. There's a debit card, which is coming soon, and you also have one of the more established leaders in the industry. And the rates they pay are 10% for USDT, USDC, or DAI stablecoins, and 6% in gold-backed PAX Gcoin. That's PAX Gcoin. All these rates increase also by 2% if you receive your payment in Nexo instead of in the stablecoin you deposited. Now, as we mentioned in the intro, you can also park your USDC in liquidity pools on projects like Francium, which is built on Solana, to earn APRs, really as high as 141,000%, or in beefy finance on Binance Smart Chain, where you can park BUSD and earn up to 5.52 million% APR. We're not sure that those metrics are going to stick around forever, but that is a snapshot of what they look at right now. And remember, these are not interest rates, but the APRs you can earn in farming pools. And with that, I would say the higher the APR, the higher the risk. So these are things that perhaps you want to consider as red flags. Proceed with caution, but those are what the figures are right now. If you want more details on such high APRs and which such stablecoin pools are safe, probably should join Altcoin Buzz Access Group for more weekly updates. The second platform that we're looking at today is Celsius, which is an American-based and registered with FinCEN. They also take security very seriously. For security, they use 2FA, that's two-factor authentication, and biometric authentication. A status called HODL mode, where you won't be able to transfer funds or change whitelisted withdrawal addresses, as well as a 24-hour delay before deactivating this particular security mode. You also have automatic logouts and multi-party computation. Other pluses include the new swap service. It's in beta version right now. Easy pay service to pay other Celsius members, and you can earn more, again, if you take payment in their CEL cell token. The rates they pay are 10.02% on all fiat-based stablecoins like USDC and USDT, and 4.6% on multi-collateral DAI. Celsius returns are pretty good, especially on USDC and Tether, but if you like the idea of using your stablecoins in a liquidity pool that could earn over 500% on BSC, yes, seriously, more than 500% per year. If that's the case, then again, come join our Altcoin Buzz Access Group, where we show you where these opportunities exist. Platform number 3 is BlockFi. This is a US-based crypto lending platform, and they pay on your stablecoins like a bank-style savings account. They call it their interest account, in fact. The Gemini exchange is their custodian, and BlockFi works with BitGo, the custodian behind Wrapped Bitcoin and Wrapped Ethereum. Other benefits include a trading account that you can use to swap your stablecoins for other crypto, the fact that they don't have their own token, which means they're not pushing you to buy it. They have a Bitcoin rewards credit card, and institutional services if you're a whale and need to do some bulk buying or selling. The rates BlockFi pays are 9% for USDC and DAI and 9.5% for USDT if, in all three cases, you deposit less than 40,000 US. Deposit more than 40K and your interest rates drop by 1%. Platform number 4, and a personal favorite of my own, is Crypto.com. They are a very lightning fast growing company with offices right now in 22 countries. And Crypto.com works with Ledger Vault for security and uses cold storage solutions. They also carry $750 million in cold storage insurance, and they use custodian banks in certain countries, including the US, for holding fiat funds. Here are some of the benefits. If you want to earn more by getting paid in their CRO token, the token is actually a great performer in recent history. It's one of the best crypto debit cards out on the market right now. Check out our related video on that subject if you'd like to learn more. There's a trading account and a DeFi wallet as well. And there's NFT non-fungible token capability and derivatives trading options too. The rates that Crypto.com pays out are 6% for flexible accounts on USDC, USDT, and DAI, and 8% if you lock up your money for 1 month. Commodity coin PAX, PAXG, pays 1%. And finally, platform number 5, we're looking at Freeway, which is from Aubit. This is our last one on the list here, and it's a newer player on the block, relatively. And Aubit is regulated by the EU, the European Union, and has licenses with BaFin in Germany and MiFID II, and is FCA compliant in the UK. They use the steady-state DeFi insurance protocol to protect investors, and from a compliance point of view, they are EU regulated as far as brokerages go. Other pluses include 80% of fees are shared with investors on the platform. There's 0 ongoing platform fees, unlike most managers with the 2 and 20 model, which is 2% fee and 20% of the profits. Their philosophy is to go from custody that costs you money to custody that pays you money. Some trade fees are as low as $1. Their token, FWT, gives you discounted trading fees if you choose to use it. And one last thing that we really liked is that they don't have brand ambassadors. They call them guerrillas, as in guerrilla fighters. That's GUE. We like that aggressive, hustling culture, which is definitely part of Aubit as far as we can see. Freeway offers interest rates on 2 stablecoins, USDC and Tether, and without staking their FWT coin, they pay 12%, which is the highest rate we've seen so far. So there you have it, guys. We have 5 platforms that pay you anywhere between 6 and 12%, while really you wait for the next opportunity to use those stablecoins. You may prefer an option with debit card access like crypto.com or maybe Nexo, or you could prefer a rewards credit card like BlockFi. But then again, maybe your jam is the secure HODL mode of Celsius or the sharing network fees of Freeway. Either way, these are 5 solid options where you can park your stablecoins, again, while you wait for the next great investment opportunity. And remember, if you like the idea of putting your stables in liquidity pools, instead you can find the best APYs across many blockchains like BSC, Avalanche, Phantom, Harmony, Polygon, Solana, and more. Of course, if you subscribe to our Altcoin Buzz Access group, that's where you can get our deepest level research, which is currently available. You can check that out today. Once again, guys, never financial advice, but best of luck if you do choose to invest. If you're still watching, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these other couple of related videos, which should be popping up right about now. Have a great weekend, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.